The Zipify one-click Upsell Shopify tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zipify one-click Upsell. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Zipify and on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. And in using Zipify one-click upsell, we're going to use Shopify.com, in which it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their online stores. And the platform also offers a wide range of features, including customizable online storefronts, payment processing, marketing tools, and shipping solutions, all designed to simplify the e-commerce experience of users. And also, the platform is designed for flexibility, catering to a diverse range of businesses, for small startups to established brands. And Shopify also provides tools for social selling, making it easier for entrepreneurs to reach customers through various channels. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner to sign in. And after signing in, you'll now be able to be directed on this page right here. And it will show you from here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have here home, orders, products, customers, content, and many more. But to start installing the Zipify one-click upsell, just click the Add Apps button on the left side panel. And then on this pop-up window, just scroll down and click the Shopify App Store below. Now you'll be able to be directed on this page. So just proceed by going to the search bar and enter or select this one-click Zipify in here. Then you will see here the overview about this application and some of the features it offers, and also the pricing plan below here. But now to proceed, kind of click this install button right here to start installing and using this application. Then you will be able to be directed on this page upon clicking the install button, in which the next thing that you need to do again is to click this install button to proceed. And upon installing the application, you'll now be able to see here the result. However, before we start using the application, you also need to select either a starter or unlimited plan in here. But in those options, I'm going to choose a starter, and upon clicking Start 30-day free trial button below, we'll automatically be directed in here, in which we can simply choose our payment methods. And let's say I'm going to choose PayPal in here. And after that, just click this approve button right here in order to proceed installing and using the application after the subscription or payment plan that we choose in here. Then we will be able to be directed in here, in which all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information, including your industry, your monthly revenue, and also monthly order button below that you can also adjust this. But I'm going to click the continue to proceed and just choose your option on how did you hear about this kind of platform or application. And by clicking finish button, you will be able to be here and start creating your first funnel in here. So just click this create first funnel to start using one-click upsell, and it will show you the step-by-step process in here, including the post-purchase upsell and the quick start guide in here that you could also read and use as a guide. So basically, to start using this application, under this trigger, we can select our offers, this tunnel to show when the trigger contains a condition below. Now under these triggers, I'm going to select a specific product that will apply, and at this point, I'm going to click or add products, which is, for example, these Nike shoes. Then click add in order to successfully add the triggers. And after selecting the specific products that we'll add in our funnel, we can now proceed by navigating this post-purchase upsell. But if you also want to rename your funnel, you can do so on the top panel by clicking these three dots. But going back in here, by clicking this add upsell offer, you can also choose to add product to the customer's order or select the products manually. And upon selecting products manually, I'm going to choose these Nike shoes again and click add to proceed. And it will show us before we publish. We also need to go to Shopify setting and check out and set the post purchase. And to do that, can I click this go to Shopify settings button below here. And upon clicking this one, we will automatically be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, we're currently under the checkout section. And under this post purchase page, can I click this Zipify one-click upsell to make sure this app is set up for post-purchase page. And after that, just click the save button below to save the changes that we just made. Now again, going back on this page right here, after navigating the post-purchase upsell, you'll now be able to see here that it is now currently added in here, the product that we just selected. And now for the third step, which is to navigate this product page widget. You should have an upgrade account to unlimited in order to use this. But before that, focusing on the step 2, which is this post-purchase upsell. By clicking on it, we will automatically be directed on this page. We can start editing some of the incentives, buy box content, and many more in here. However, it says here that our store is currently need a password or protected with password, which means our page preview is currently unavailable at the moment. However, if your store doesn't have any password, you can now start editing the incentive section in here, such as to edit the time limit of the product that we are upselling or downselling. But if we go back on this page, we could also set or navigate this A/B testing to optimize upsell strategies by allowing merchants to experiment with different offers, layouts, and timing to determine which combinations yield the highest conversion rates. So from here, after A/B testing, we can now proceed by clicking the freebie on store button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page right here. And as you can see, it will show us what it looks like, or what the upselling looks like. So from here, as you can see, this kind of upselling has this timing, which is 10 minutes. But we could also start customizing this one on the left side panel under this incentives and time limit below here. We have here 10 minutes, 5 minutes, and many more. And we could also set up in here an upsell or downsell if a product has been paid or cancelled by the customer. After declining the offer of the customer, we could also set here below if accepts offer. We can add an upsell offer in here. For example, I'm going to select different kind of product in here. By clicking the continue button, I'm going to select at this point this men's handbag leather. And after that, you'll now be able to see that the condition has now been added. But if a customer declines the offer, we can set a downsell in here by selecting again this kind of product. So basically, the primary purpose of this app is to increase the average order value by allowing store owners to present targeted offers to customers immediately after they add items to their cart or complete a purchase, in which this strategy capitalizes on the customer's existing intent to buy, making it more likely for them to accept additional offers without the need to re-enter payment information, thereby streamlining the purchasing process. And now for the last step in here, we also need to upgrade our account to unlimited. So I'm going to click upgrade in here to unlimited. And after that, we can now start using or navigating this step 3, in which if we scroll down, we have here thank you and order status, pages upsell, and add again an upsell offer, and just use the product that we just selected earlier, which is these Nike shoes. And after adding it to our upsells, from here we can now start doing the A/B testing to create multiple versions of their upsells funnels and test them against each other. And after doing the A/B testing, can I click this item right here, or even click this edit offer if you want to. However, upon clicking the split test, we will be able to be directed on this page, and we can start clicking this incentive option on the left side panel where we can start changing the time value, the buy box button, the discount, and many more. And if you're now done, just click the save button on the top right corner to proceed. And aside from that, in here, if we're going back in this page, we could also display thank you page offer in the shop sales channel. But we first need to activate on shop up to display the thank you page offer. So basically, Zipify one-click upsell serves as a powerful tool for Shopify owners looking to maximize revenue through effective upselling techniques. And now to make this funnel active, you can now click or turn on under the status section in here. But by clicking this one, it will automatically show us in here that we can start publishing some of our upsells offer and also downsells offer in here. Then proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner in order to save all of the changes and start activating this funnel. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Zipify one-click upsells on Shopify. Thank you.